What's up today, YouTube? Today we'll be working on this new Boland's lawnmower. I tried to make a video of this before and accidentally pressed the delete button instead of stop recording. Or no, I meant pause, but that's not what I meant to do. But I have to start again. So this thing caught on fire twice already. And I want to see if it can run again. I had to take some stuff off of it. The recoil, that was an 8mm bolt. There's supposed to be 3 of them, except there was 2 on this one for some reason. These muffler bolts are 8mm. Out with you. Alright. Gotta take the overhead valve cover off. These are all 8mm bolts. You do not know how the struggle is real. I got a drill and an adapter to make my life easier. Nope, I just dropped that bolt. I'll have to get it. But I cleaned it, but there's some white powder on. That was from the fire extinguisher. So I want to go clean this up really good. I'm not taking the carburetor off, but let's see if it runs. Okay, I'm gonna take this cover off for you, so let me know so you know how to do this before we go. Alright, there's one bolt right there. And there's another bolt under here, but that's like a 1932nd. I have to put that adapter on. Hold on a minute. It's off. Now I'll do some very serious cleaning to it. And I will be back in a minute. Those were some of the worst. That was the worst hour of my life cleaning this thing. Now what I'm gonna do as soon as I finish it, if I get it running, what am I gonna do with it? 2 things: either sell it, sorry, I had to put the brake on. Either sell it or keep it. Now I gotta go prime the engine. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Sorry. I brought some water just in case it tries to catch fire again.